Why you should consider pet insurance. 67% of American households have pets. That's over 85 million of us. But many people go without pet insurance. If your fur baby gets sick or hurt, you want to be covered. Pet insurance helps with the unexpected illness or injury to your pet, offering peace of mind and less strain on your finances during this stressful time. Pet insurance policies can also include wellness plans that cover the cost of routine visits, exams, and preventive care. As with any type of insurance, choosing the right policy for your furry friend is important. Talk with your neighborhood trusted choice independent insurance agent to understand your options and get the answers to your questions like, can I use any veterinarian I choose? What conditions are covered in the policy? Are there any deductibles? Are particular breeds or species excluded? Are there any discounts for additional pets in my household? Your pets should be entitled to enjoy a long and healthy life. Your trusted choice independent insurance agent will help you find the best way to be sure they are covered, and you have peace of mind in the event of the unthinkable. Be independent. Go independent.